Who was that at 2 o'clock in the morning over there waiting on me? Who was that at 2 o'clock in the morning over there waiting on me? Who was that at 2 o'clock over here in the morning waiting on me? Come here. Who was that at 2 o'clock in the morning over here waiting on me? He was over here playing in the water. He was playing in the water. He was playing in the water. He was playing in the water. I just poked that one in your mouth. I poked it in your mouth. I poked that in your mouth. 2 o'clock in the morning right there, Raccoon. 2 o'clock in the morning right there. Raccoon, all of these, I bought these pecans. They all of them broke up pieces. Raccoon, 2 o'clock in the morning. Raccoon, 2 o'clock in the morning. Raccoon at 2 o'clock in the morning. What are you grabbing my hand like a patty cake for? Me and that Raccoon, we play patty cake sometime. Sometimes it's patty cake, baker man, patty cake. Put more pecans in the pan. That's what he told the patty cake. He told the baker man, put more pecan in the pan. Don't bite my finger now. Patty cake. I'm gonna give you 2 or 3 of them right here. How about that? Why don't I give you 2 or 3 of them like that right there? Here come that helicopter. Here comes a helicopter. Here comes a helicopter at 2 o'clock in the morning. Raccoon, I'm looking up. I hear a helicopter over there. I don't see it. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm looking at your neck. That helicopter sounds like it's sitting on the ground over there. That was a helicopter. That was a helicopter. That helicopter scared him. That was a helicopter. At 2 o'clock in the morning, it went to the hospital. That's where it was leaving from. Well, actually, what it was doing, the hospital is over here, and over here this way, the helicopter was over here sitting on the ground over here, and it must have picked somebody up or something or other, and it flew them over here. A lot of times what they'll do is the ambulance will come in and stop right here, and the helicopter will land here in the field, and the hospital's right here, and they'll take them from here. They'll take them from here to Savannah or Jacksonville or Atlanta. Stop this video.